Garza with Coldwell Bankers and Harper Realtors, and this is my listing at 8546 Cherokee Ridge. Let's go in and take a look. In an effort to help you see the inside of this house, even though we're dealing with the coronavirus and staying as far apart away as we can from each other, I want to tell you about Cherokee Ridge. This home is about 2,400 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It has a nice open floor plan. Of items on this house that you need to know before considering it. One of those things is the house does need paint and also flooring. If you note on the floor, there are a couple of areas that have some damage. So to freshen it up, we do have an estimate for new floors. It is priced with all these items in mind. There's some sheetrock repair that needs to be taken care of in the laundry room. Let's go take a look. Here in the laundry room, there was a leak at the ceiling that the seller had fixed. Now the sheetrock just needs to be repaired. An engineer has looked at this home. GL Hunt has given us a bid to get the foundation repair done, and the seller is willing to do that. Even though this home needs a few repairs, they can be done before closing so that you can move right in. It is a great home and a great community, so call me if you're interested and I will give you some additional information.